Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the IT world, you know how fast things change. Today we're diving into the top 5 technologies you should focus on in 2024. Whether you're an IT professional or just tech curious, these are the innovations set to reshape the industry. So let's jump right in. Coming in at number 5, we have quantum computing. This is still an emerging field, but in 2024, it's set to make some serious waves. Traditional computers use bits, but quantum computers use qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to the concept of superposition. This allows quantum computers to solve problems that would take traditional computers millions of years to process. Industries like pharmaceuticals, cryptography, and logistics are going to be transformed by this tech. So if you're into cutting-edge innovations, learning about quantum algorithms and quantum hardware could be a game changer for your career. At number 4, we've got edge computing. This technology is all about processing data closer to where it's generated, reducing latency, and improving response times. With the explosion of IoT devices, from smart homes to autonomous vehicles, edge computing is essential for handling real-time data efficiently. If you're interested in cloud computing or IoT, edge computing is definitely something you should pay attention to. It's especially important for industries where milliseconds count, like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Of course, artificial intelligence and machine learning are here to stay, and in 2024, they're becoming even more vital. AI isn't just about cool applications like chatbots or personal assistants anymore. It's being integrated into everything: predictive analytics, cybersecurity, FA, and even software development through AI-assisted coding. If you haven't started with AI and ML yet, now's the time to dive in. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Microsoft's AI suite are great starting points. And trust me, AI-driven automation is only going to get bigger from here. Coming in strong at number 2 is cybersecurity. And no, it's not just the same old story. In 2024, we're seeing a major shift towards a zero-trust architecture, where nothing inside or outside your network is trusted by default. And here's where it gets interesting. AI is being integrated into cybersecurity to predict and mitigate threats before they even happen. We're talking about self-learning systems that can detect anomalies and attacks in real time. If you're in IT, having cybersecurity skills with a focus on AI integration is going to put you in high demand. Companies are investing more than ever to protect their data. Finally, our number 1 technology to focus on in 2024, cloud-native technologies. Cloud-native computing involves building and running applications that exploit the advantages of the cloud computing delivery model. Kubernetes, microservices, containers, these are the building blocks of modern applications. With more businesses migrating to cloud environments, cloud-native development is essential for scalability, flexibility, and resilience. If you're a developer or working in DevOps, mastering these tools is a must. That wraps up our top 5 IT technologies to focus on in 2024. Whether you're looking to future-proof your career or just keep up with the latest trends, staying ahead in these areas will give you a serious edge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.